Yo, check it out. We're gonna talk about what's the difference between two different PlayStation. This is the PlayStation 320 gigabytes. Now, you know what I'm saying? We upgraded my more gigabytes. But actually, what's the difference between 100 something gigabytes, 120 gigabytes? What's the difference is the old one you see, both lights is turned on and shit. And then down there, it says the single and shit, the connection. You see the lights down there. You see the blinky connection, whatever. And this is the auto model. It came out, the auto model. But there's no got a light, you know what I'm saying? This one doesn't got a light. Both lights only got one light. And this doesn't turn on like that one. Like this. Right here, this light turn on. You see, got a light right there, turn on. Right there, that little light right there, turn on. You turn the light off right here. You can tell, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That's the difference between this PlayStation and that PlayStation. This one used to be more, like less gigabytes. It should be less gigabytes or 120 gigabytes or whatever, you know what I'm saying? And the other one's 320 gigabytes. Now you can upgrade them. You can upgrade the PlayStation, more gigabytes. Yeah, you want to play with my name? My name is Robert Risker Online. The same name on my YouTube channel. It's the same name on my profile. But check it out. That's between the two PlayStation. This one, a little bit the new model, and the old model. What's the difference? The SIM card is way different. You put in more gigabytes. The drive. This is the drive right here. In this box, more drive, you can put in, you actually can upgrade it to 5 gigabytes or 280 to 320 gigabytes. See, this is the old PlayStation, 100 gigabytes. See, it's the same one like in that box, you see? It's the same one. And this one is 320 gigabytes. See, it's the same PlayStation. The same ones. Between about this PlayStation and that one, the drive is way different. The drive is way bigger. That's why, in a way, it's hard to flex the PlayStation or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Or whatever, the stuff is more different, the drive. But this is the last, I think this is like the third one. I'm not too sure because I heard the last model one is like 400 something gigabytes. I heard, I don't know, I'm not too sure. I think this is the third model. But this is like 120 gigabytes, you can tell. This is the old model, it's the same shit. You see? 320 gigabytes, you see? Both PlayStation is the same, the body's the same. The only thing is different is, like I say, the old model, both lights down there turn on. And then those lights up here, they turn on, these lights. That's the only thing is different. This one, it doesn't. Down here in the bottom, you turn it on, only this light turn on right here. The light for the saving data, the drive data and shit like that. But that one both for light. So this model to me is kind of more better because if you got messed up connection, your connection is messing up or some shit like that, you can tell your internet is not working because down there it's not off the light. So, you know what I'm saying? The old model is kind of a little bit more better. I've heard the old model a little bit more better than the last new model because the new model is basically going to tell you in the bottom if your connection is off. You got to look at it when you be like, oh shit, sign me off. That's the only way you can notice it. You go to settings. Yeah, that's the name on the, you can play Robert Risker. Robert Risker. Yeah, so you know what to do. Peace out. And leave a comment what you think about it, whatever.